Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make Goan pork vindaloo, a very popular pork recipe from the state of Goa in India. Goa used to be a Portuguese colony and the vindaloo owes its origins to Portugal and uses vinegar and garlic. For this recipe, I'll be using 400 grams of good British pork, 1 red onion chopped up, 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger, 10 garlic cloves roughly crushed, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 50 milliliters of coconut vinegar, some diced plum tomatoes, 7 dry Kashmiri chilies, some dry curry leaves, some cloves, a stick of cinnamon, 2 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon each of black mustard seeds, cumin seeds and black peppercorns. We are going to powder all the whole spices, the dry red chilies and curry leaves in a grinder, like I'm doing here. Grind them into a fine powder and then add the spice powder into the pork along with the turmeric powder, the ginger and garlic, the onions, the coconut vinegar, some salt and a bit of sugar. Then mix everything into the pork and let the pork marinate for 1 hour. Heat some oil in a cast iron pot and then add the marinated pork into the oil. You need to now fry the pork on high heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep stirring the pot so that the pork fries evenly. Then add the plum tomatoes into the pot and fry until the tomatoes are totally broken down and blended. This will take around 5 minutes or so, depending on the quality of tomatoes. Then rinse out the marinade bowl and add enough water to cook the pork. Give the pot a stir. Bring it to a boil, then put the lid on and cook on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the lid off and check on the meat. It has cooked through, but we need to dry out the gravy. So jack up the flame and let the gravy become thicker in consistency. And there you go, our delicious Goan pork vindaloo is ready. Let's plate up this delicious Goan pork curry. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and serve this delicious pork vindaloo ideally with rice or with flatbreads like chapatis or naans. If you like this Goan vindaloo recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!